Welcome to WHS Advanced Training Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Hazard Register. The Hazard Register can be found in the Risk Management section. When a hazard is logged in the register, it is initially highlighted in red, with two red crosses indicating that the assessment and control of the hazard needs to be undertaken. By selecting on the red cross, you can undertake a risk assessment, and once completed, the register will turn orange and place a green tick to indicate that the hazard has been assessed. By selecting on the red cross in the control column, you can undertake the development of a control measure to reduce the risk of the hazard. Once completed, again a green tick will be seen and the register will turn green. To log a hazard, select the Add Hazard link. A hazard is related to a site and also can be related to an activity or a machine. Enter the hazard's name and, if needed, enter more detail in the edit box. You can also upload a picture of the hazard. As mentioned previously, when a hazard is logged, the register will turn to red. Email alerts can be set in the user admin dashboard to notify you that a hazard has been logged. Once a hazard is logged, you will need to assess it. The first thing to do is to add the hazard type. These types entered will stay in your database and create a list. Make sure to select the type from the list you have created. To assess the risk, we use a risk matrix. If you prefer to use another matrix, you can upload that matrix into the system via the user admin dashboard section. The matrix uploaded will then appear instead of the WHS Advance matrix. When using the matrix, you work your way across the likelihoods and down the severities. The corresponding number is your risk assessment score. You can also assign an employee to undertake the control process and by a due date. Again, alerts can be set if these dates are not met. Select Add and the hazard listed will now turn to orange. The next step is to develop control measures. Select the red cross and the hierarchy of controls will be seen. The idea here is to work your way down the 6 control measures and develop ways to reduce the risk of the hazard occurring. There can be more than one control measure. Once completed, fill in the actions to be taken and assign due dates and a person responsible. Select Enter and the hazard listed will now turn to green. The control measures are now assigned in the action register to be implemented. For more information, visit our website whsadvanced.com.au.